Tired of looking for a good deodorant? Are you tired of bad smell? You can stop because cool deodorant. You can use cool deodorant. Power deodorant. Ultra maximum protection for active sports. Antiperspirant. Effective 24 hours. The best player use it. Catherine Ibarwen, Roger Federer, Leo Messi, and James LeBron. We are ready to use it. Try it and you will see the efficacy. Cool deodorant will make you feel fresh, handsome, beautiful, and relaxed. If the athletes use it, why don't you? The result will surprise you. You can buy it online or any store. And the best thing is the price. You can get it for only $8. Don't wait anymore. Buy it now. Cool deodorant.